20 things every woman wants from a man. Disclaimer. Don't watch this video till end, otherwise you will start picking girls. Every woman dreams of a partner who truly understands her. It's not about perfection, it's about connection, respect, and effort. If you've ever wondered what women really want in a man, stick with me. Today, we're diving into the 20 things every woman secretly craves from her partner. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's get started. 1. Emotional foundations. 1. Respect. Respect is the foundation of any relationship. It's about valuing her opinions, her dreams, and her boundaries. Without respect, love can't thrive. 2. Honesty. Women want authenticity. Being truthful, even when it's tough, builds trust and deepens the bond. 3. Emotional availability. Being present, listening, and offering a safe space for her feelings is key. She wants to feel understood and supported. 4. Security. Women look for emotional, physical, and financial stability. It's not about wealth, it's about reliability and consistency. 5. Effort. Little actions like remembering her favorite coffee order or planning a date show her that she matters to you. 2. Personal traits. 6. Confidence, not arrogance. Confidence is attractive when it's paired with humility. Arrogance, a major turnoff. 7. Humor. Being able to make her laugh, especially during tough times, shows her that life with you will be joyful. 8. Ambition. Women admire men with a vision for their life. Ambition doesn't mean chasing wealth. It means striving to grow and improve. 9. Kindness. How you treat others, especially those who can't offer anything in return, speaks volumes about your character. 10. Patience. Patience shows emotional maturity. Women appreciate a partner who remains composed, even during conflicts. 11. Authenticity. Be yourself. Women can sense when someone is putting on a facade, and it's exhausting. 12. Physical touch. From a comforting hug to a reassuring hand on her back, physical affection strengthens the emotional connection. 3. Relationship dynamics. 13. Shared values. Aligning on core beliefs and goals lays the groundwork for a lasting partnership. Communication skills. Expressing thoughts clearly and listening without interrupting makes her feel valued. Consistency. Showing up for her again and again proves your dependability. 16. Support for her independence. She wants a partner, not a controller. Celebrate her wins and encourage her passions. 17. Vulnerability. Opening up about your fears and dreams shows strength, not weakness. Vulnerability deepens intimacy. 18. Protectiveness, not possessiveness. Women appreciate when a man stands up for her while respecting her independence. 19. Adventurous spirit. Being open to new experiences keeps the relationship exciting and fresh. 20. Commitment. At the end of the day, women want to know that you're in it for the long haul. Relationships aren't about grand gestures or perfection. They're about showing up, being real, and growing together. Which of these 20 things resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to be the partner she deserves, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on building meaningful relationships.